Okay, this is the second part of the exhaust modification to the 4106 with the 8V71 in it. I'm going with straight pipe exhaust. As you can see, that's the right bank, and then this one is the left bank. Okay, this is the top view of both of the pipes. The one on the right is, of course, the closest to the back here, and then because that big pipe that goes to the right bank doesn't really have any support, I made this bracket out of aluminum and then attached it to that cross brace, and then put a U-clamp on it to draw the pipe upward and away from that oil filter. Now, one of the purposes of doing this is to get in here and fix that fan drive that's been leaking. So now I'm going to be able to do that. So just hold on for just a second. I'm going to pause the video and then start the bus from the back here. And you can hear how freaking loud it is. Okay, now we're resuming the video. I'm about ready to fire this thing up.